OSI model is actually it is a model created to design and analyze network architecture for flexible, robust, and interoperable. And that's where we have our please do not throw sausage pizza away, according to our maybe acronyms, which our please is what we have. That means we have physical layer, we have data link layer, we have application layer, section layer, we have transport layer, network layer, and so on and so forth. But one thing is I would like to also go back to those definitions so that everybody can really understand what it means to what all this OSI model means. You look at application layer now. Oh, let me start from the physical layer. I think of starting from maybe that number 7. I just have to maybe go to this so that everybody can understand how this networking of 18 actually came into existence. Because if you don't understand all these OSI model and things, networking will be kind of very difficult to. So if you are talking about physical layer, it is the one that actually manages cables and signals, like it converts raw bit transmission over transmission media. That's when we know all these our physical connectors and so on. But if we have to talk about data link, it is actually a protocol that describes method for exchanging data frames between devices over a common media. That's data link layer. And if you look at network layer, that one is one providing services to exchange, like the piece of data over network between identified end devices. And you know that our end devices is, when talking about this, our laptop, our PC, printers, and so on and so forth. Those are our end devices. Then transport layer defines service to segment. They are the one that converts packets to frame. Are you getting it? And they transfer. They also reassemble data for individual communication between the end devices also. So if you are now looking at section layer, they provide service to the presentation layer, like to organize its dialogue and synchronization to manage data exchange. Basically, section layer has to do with maybe dialoguing all this our data and sending it to presentation layer. They organize the dialogue and synchronization. So presentation layer is now the one that provide common representation of data transfer between application layer services. So it is now the last one is application layer. It is not the one that contains used, like protocol used for process to process communication. That means after the physical layer, the one that is actually for end devices is application layer. So now let me now come back to this. Like here, you know that we have our end devices, we have our router. And if you look at it very well, this is our, let me see. Okay, let me just take one router. And this is a router. And if you look at this, router is what? It is working at third layer of the OSI module. Third layer of the OSI module, which is, please do not, that is network layer. That's where this our router is working. And the router is like a packet routing devices with highly advances like all these iOS, internet working, OS. We have LAN to LAN, local area network to local area network. We also have wide area network to local area network. So you have to understand all these router, switches, hubs, which layer do they belong to? What are their work? What is their work? And how will I put it? How I'm coming, please. How effective are they? So that's it. That's the work of a router. So now let me now take a switch. This is a switch. And if you look at it, this one is operating at layer 2, which is data link layer. Are you getting it? This one is just like used to connect the nodes that want to connect to the network. Like it transmits data coming from the source port only. Like it's transmitting data from the source port to the destination port. Let's assume you are in Abuja, maybe I'm in Lagos. So maybe you know that we have source and we have destination. We can decide and say, oh, Abuja is our source and Lagos is our destination. It is the work of switch that makes the transmission easier. And we also have what we call an hub. Let me see. This is our hub. Though currently, the way we say it, hub is insecure because there's no way you are going to actually use an hub connecting it to maybe an end devices. It will always leak our conversation. So it is more secure to use a router or a switch because most cases, before a router can even reassemble it, it has to ask permission from you. And if you did not give maybe the router or switch the permission to maybe leak your devices or leak your data or your sensitive data, it will never. But no matter either you do it or not, it will leak your data outside. And this our hub is actually working at layer 1, which is physical layer. It's used to connect computers that want to connect to the network. That one is just simple as that. So now that's just the difference between hub, switch, and router. So as not to take much of our time. So now let's now go to all this connection. I have to remove all this, please. This is it. Look at this. I want to see if I can bring this out. Oh, I can't bring them out. We have this our connection. We have different types of cables with the likes of, we have straight through cable, we have copper straight through cable, we have coaxial cable, we have twisted pair cable, we have fiber optics cable. I'll try and find a diagram or a picture of all these cables. I'll send it to the group later. But I want to actually explain the difference between all these cables. We have straight through cable, and straight through cable is actually a cable you can use to connect different devices, different networks to each other. Like you are connecting a switch to a router to a PC to a printer. That's when we use a straight through cable. Please, are you getting me? And this is the straight through cable, and I click on this is the straight through cable. And now we also have another one we call what? Copper straight through cable. That one is actually the one we use to connect different network also. But the advantages there is it has a very high, the connection is fast. If you use a straight through cable to connect anything, it is actually very, very fast. Like it makes the connectivity very, very easier for us. And the next one we have coaxial cable. This coaxial cable now, it is the one that we use to connect all these, most especially all these Ethernet ports, to the internal switch portion of the router, all these local area network. And we also have maybe this our what's it called? We have fiber optics. And fiber optics, if you check most of all university or polytechnics now, or big companies, what they are using is this fiber optics, because fiber optics has a very long width. Even if you are, let's assume you are maybe at that, I don't know how to explain, but for people that really know Lagos very well, let's say from that Ikoyi now to maybe Lekki, you can use a fiber optics to connect Like it is very, very, how will I put it? Like the distance that fiber optics can give you, all these twisted pair coaxial cable can never give you. That's why if you check it now, a lot of companies are highly using this fiber optics, and it's normally it's actually expensive to set up, but it hardly have an issue, and it is best of the best. So let me just also go back to, we have two types of ports. We have Ethernet ports, we have internet ports. Ethernet ports are like ports used to connect to the internal switch portion of the router. For people that have a router, if you look at the back of your router, you will see something that they put LAN area, just LAN. You can see they will put LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3. That's where all those ones are called Ethernet what? Ethernet ports. Are you getting it? And the other one is we have internet ports. That one, the other part, what you are going to see there is what? Is just connecting devices to another network, which is what? Wide area network. You will see it at the back of your router. For people that are using router, you see LAN area and WAN area. So wherever you see that WAN area now, meaning that that place is actually what? Is for what? Internet ports. Why the other part is for what? Is for what? Ethernet. Ethernet. E-T-H-E-R-N-E-T. That's Ethernet. And we have internet. So that don't let me write it so that people. We have internet. Oh God, who's this? And Ethernet. Please, can you see it? So that's the two things I'm talking about. Please, can I proceed, or anybody have any question? Hello.
Sorry, Emmanuel, please, what's the difference between these two?
What I'm saying is, like I said earlier, I said Ethernet ports, like the ETH port, are the ports used to connect to the internal switch portion of the router.
Ooh. Okay.
Why? And normally on your router, you always see them, they always call them LAN area, like LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3. Those places are Ethernet ports. Are you getting it? But there's other parts, you will see something that they just wrote WAN, which is wide area network. That one is basically for internet ports. And that one is just connecting devices to another network. Are you getting it?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you very much. So now, Jesus. One thing I actually want everybody to understand about this Cisco Packet Tracer is it is not hard at all. Are you getting it? Because one thing is that they have actually make it easy for us. The only thing you just have to know is try and understand how it works. Okay, so let me do it this way. Because I don't want to maybe be doing something that maybe a lot of people will not actually understand. One thing I want to know is now, the way I actually explain this thing now, what I actually want now is, if you know you are having any difficulties pertaining to this, I want to know whether you are having difficulties on how to maybe assign IP address, how to get maybe all this default gateway. Are you getting it? So I can know where to actually talk on. Are you getting my point? So I don't want it to be like maybe I'll not be using maybe most of my time to be maybe explaining all these cables. If you look at my own dashboard very well, you see that when I'm clicking on all these things, it's not showing maybe it is coaxial cable. And most of us, if you check yours, you see that it's even giving you the name underneath. Like this one is coaxial cable, this one is straight through cable, this one is copper straight through cable. So I will just maybe use this period. If you have any maybe challenges that you are actually facing in Cisco Packet Tracer currently, maybe notify and just let me know so I can note it down so we can treat everything tonight. So anybody you can start, please.
Okay, so the floor is open. As I said earlier, please, you can just ask the question. We want to at least deal with this thing once and for all. That area that you are actually confused, that once we get there, you get lost. Just ask the question. Mr. Emmanuel make a point earlier on when he was speaking, and that was where I was having a challenge. That if you don't understand it very well, it will become a problem. Actually, I was having a problem there. But when he spoke about it, I think I got what I needed. So please, the floor is open. Ask your question. This guy is really trying. Oh, please, he's the one I know he's good in this, and each time I call him, he's always there to help. So just ask your question now. Let's deal with this thing once and for all. Thank you.
Mr. Emmanuel, please, I have a question.
Okay, ma.
It's about the default gateway. Like, I didn't know that you had to configure all the IP to configure the default gateway on all the devices that you select. I thought maybe if you configure just one, you'll be able to pin and the connection will go through. I didn't know. I don't know. Is it possible you configure just like if you can configure it on a printer and just leave it without configuring on the laptop or the PC, and the communication goes through?
No. And the reason why is, you know that normally we have two types of IP addresses, which is IP version 4 and IP version 6. But currently, the one we are using most is IP version 4, which has 5 classes from class A to E. I said that in the last class. But the main problem you have to understand now is there's no matter how. Now, let me use it as an illustration. Let's assume you want to connect to your Wi-Fi or your router with your phone, and you do not put your password and your username there. Will you be able to connect?
No.
That's it. But one thing is that before you can also ping, you know that, and one thing you have to understand is even that your same router you are connecting to, both your PC, let's assume you are connecting your PC to your router, you will see if you are connecting most time, it will ask you that even if the broadcast is not the same, should this still connect? Because once you send your password will go to the router. So the router will now check whether, is this IP address relating to maybe my own region or my own, how will I put it, my own area. If the thing is working, it will connect. That's when you see it will say connected. But there are some, even though you put the correct password, it will tell you cannot connect to this network. Are you getting it? So there's no way. If you want to connect maybe to a PC, maybe a PC to a router, you have to configure an IP address. And one thing you have to know is if you are using 192.168.1.4 for your PC1, are you getting it? Let me do an example so you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is my switch now. Are you seeing it?
Yes, I'm seeing
Then
it.
I have a PC here. I have another PC here. So, sorry. You go to your connection. Like what Miss Favor said, me now, I know the type of cable I can use to connect these two things. But there are some people that doesn't know. So that's why you have to just click on this one that is looking like this. Just click on it. It will connect to the right port. Click on it again here. Can you see it? So now, what you actually want to do is, no matter how, let me do something so you know. So now, you go to this PC. Go to this desktop. Because me, I want to explain the shorter form to actually configure IP or to do IP configuration. Where the way Madam Miss Favor explains is actually okay, but that's for people that feel like, oh, maybe you will see that the way she configure her own is not the way I want to configure mine. Are you seeing it? You click on this IP configuration. Are you getting it? So if you feel like you want a static IP address, you can type it here where this static is. But if you feel like you want to use a dynamic host control protocol, which will give you different IP address, you just click on this. You will see that it will be requesting for an IP address. You see that it is requesting IP address, right?
Yes.
You see, it's not working. That means you cannot use it. Assuming it is a router. Assuming it is a router that I connected all those PC to, it will work. I will also explain. So let's now assume that we are using this static IP. So this 192.168-10 dot maybe .4. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
You see that it gave me the what? The subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.2.0. And one thing you have to understand about this is we have what we call network and host. If you look at class A of the IP4 address, we have what we call 255.255.255. No, the first one, class A, is 255 dot. Let me explain what I'm saying here. Okay. Because I want everybody to understand this. We have class A, which is our 255.255, no, 255.0.0.0. And our class A, it ranges from 0 to what? To 127. So, and this 255.0.0 will now be our what? Network host. Please, are you following? So we have what we call our class B. Our class B is from 128 to, I'm coming, 128 to 191. Enter. So that will now be 255.255.0.0, which will be what? Network, then host. Enter. We have class C, which is from 192 to 223. Enter. We have 255.255.255.0. Then this one will now be network, then host. Please, do you understand what I did? Can you see my screen, please?
Yes, I can see your screen.
So this is what I'm actually trying to explain. So let me bring it to the other side. Come. So now we have our switch, we have our PC, So what you are going to now do now is, this your PC, assign an IP address, and I said we use this 192.168.10.4. So your default gateway, you can make it 192.168.10. You can make it .3. You can make it .2. You can make it .1. That's enter. We are done with that. Then you will see it will show that we have assigned an IP address. Can you see it?
Yes, okay. Let me ask a question. Since you didn't go the way Miss Favor did, right?
What do you
She
say?
used to. I said since you didn't configure it the way she usually does, if you don't
Okay.
select the fast internet stuff that she used to select, is it not going to be a problem?
No. The reason why I use it that way is, see, I can disconnect the cable now. Let me use the correct one. See, so let me use it. Let me use copper straight. Let me use this one. You see, you click on this. You go to fast Ethernet 0. Then you connect to what? Fast Ethernet. You know that I made mention of something. You see this straight through cable. You are just connecting same port to each other. Are you getting it? But
Yes.
the only place we can use copper straight through cable, it's like you are connecting maybe internet. You are connecting maybe a fast Ethernet to like maybe a console. You are connecting maybe a fast Ethernet to like giga Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet. Are you getting my point?
Yes, I am.
So now you see that I did not choose. I'm choosing my port myself like this. Fast Ethernet 0. You also see that this one is also what? Fast Ethernet. Can you see?
Yes.
So now you see Fast Ethernet 0, Fast Ethernet 0-1. This one is Fast Ethernet 0. The other one is Fast Ethernet 0-2. So now you see my, okay, I want to, sorry. You see that my IP address is there. If you check this thing very well, you see that the gateway is showing 192.168.10.3, right?
Yeah.
So the other one, you can make this one maybe you go to your desktop, IP configuration, then you can make 192.168.10. You know that the previous one we use is 3. No, it's 4. This one you can use 5. You enter. Your default gateway is the same thing as the initial one, because your default gateway is what you are sending a signal to, which must reply. So if I use a different gateway here, it will not ping. It will not ping. It will say that I'm not successful. So use 192.168.10.3. Enter. So our switch. This one, you don't need anything on this. So now let's see. So go to your PC. You can go to command prompt. So this is your command where you can ping 192.168.10.4. Let's see. Can you see it's replying?
Yes, I can see.
What do you say?
I said yes, I can see
Yes.
replied.
Okay, that's for the PC1. Let me now ping for PC2. Ping 192.168.10.5. Can you see it?
Yes, I
So
can
let
see.
me now try it. Let me use something that we did not configure. Let me ping 192.168.10.7. Let's see whether it will ping. What can you see?
Timeout.
You see that request timer is because we did not configure any IP address like this. So it will not give us any results. So no matter, you see that your default gateway now, assuming it is DHCP you are using, it will give you default gateway itself. But so as far as it is static IP, you can feel like this is the default gateway you want to use, but it must be in the same range. Like now, you see that this 192 is under class C. Are you getting it? So your default gateway also must be on what? At that range. It's not that you're not going and use maybe the what you are configuring is maybe 192. Now you are now using your default gateway as 128-40. It will not work. Are you getting my point? So that's how
Yes.
this works. And
Thank
if you
you.
want to check it in real time, you can just go to this simulation also. So you click on this. Let's ping it. Ping it. Ping 192-168-10-4. So let me back it. Let me see whether, okay, this is it. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you see that it's sending the word, the signal to the switch? You will see that if you check these two, one most time one will be successful, the other one will not be successful. Are you getting it? But assuming it is a hub, we send this thing to now. You will see that it will bring the two that it will be successful, meaning that you can see it. But now, no matter how you send this thing to this switch, it will never maybe disclose your data to anybody. See, if it's distributing the packet right now, you will see something now. It will bring it that, oh, like, you see, something that's like rejected. Are you getting my logic?
Yes.
So do you now understand how to configure those things? So you don't have to have any issue with all these IP address of a thing. It is just simple as this. The only thing is, even if you are given a contract like, oh, we want you to help us maybe configure so stuff. Are you getting the point? The only thing you just ask is, oh, what IP range do you want? And one thing you have to understand is, you see this class A, which is 0 to 127. That one is used by a large organization. Why class B is used by what? It's used by medium or mid-sized organization. Why class C is used for small organization, which we can also call private small organization. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So we have class D also. That one is, I think that one is for multicasting or multi-hosts. But that class E is for like future use. That class E, that 240 to 255, that one is what? For future use. So that's just the difference between the class of addresses that we have. Do you get it? So am I
Yes.
able to answer the question, or you still have another one, or you don't get it?
No, thank you. You've clarified to me. I was just wondering if you cannot just configure a default with just one device, then it goes through with the connectivity. But now I understand you have to configure it on all the devices that you have to use to. So thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Do we have any more question again before we move to the next one? Mr. Emmanuel, you say
Yes.
now we'll be looking into how to configure a router, right?
Yes, I actually want to explain. This one is like real life one. Like how you can configure, maybe you are given how you can configure it from scratch. I want to explain that so everybody can know.
Okay. So please, is there any question more on this before he goes further? Because those of you that were in the last call that we had, you will notice that the little thing that he was able to guide us on, it made the introduction to Cisco Packet Tracing easier. I don't know for you people, but for those of us who were available, the interface, and when I opened it just blank, and somehow even while he was explaining, I was a little bit confused. But when Mr. brought us into the system, it's begin to make sense. So he wants to take us into another part now, which I know we may either have time to consider it or may not. Just as I always say, TS Academy will not teach us everything. Self-learning research is what is going to help us. And based on what Ms. Favor is saying, we just have just this week with her. I think by the coming lesson now, somebody says it's coming, which next week is our break. So I think it's on Saturday that she will be taking us on the Wireshark. Okay, Mr. Peter, you are raising your hands up.
Yes, good evening, everyone, please.
Evening to
I
you.
think, sorry, the last meeting, the last online chat, I wasn't available and I really missed it. You know, since we've not been able to record our classes here, at least for somebody to listen to after the live class, is a bit difficult. I couldn't get what was done. But my question, the very first one, because I've taken a closer look at what Mr. Emmanuel has just demonstrated. Now, my question is, when Miss Favor did it, I don't know whether what he's doing here is a bit different from what she did, because she had to write out the IP address close to the system, like PC1 or PC0. She will write the IP address and then write before she will now go to configure. Is this anything different from what is done here?
No, there's no difference. You know, when Miss Favor, before she started doing that, she said something that the reason why she's writing it there is so that you will remember. You remember that, oh, this is the IP address you want to assign to this PC.
Okay.
Let me assume you want to assign 192.168.1.14, and then you mistakenly go and give it dot 12 or dot 11. So the reason why she's writing it closer to the PC is so that you can remember, oh, this is what I want to assign to this is what I want to assign to this.
It's okay. It's
Yeah,
okay.
you writing it close to it does not add anything. It's just like a notepad, a notebook. You want to just make sure that what you are doing is correct.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, all right. Okay, Mr. Emmanuel, we're handing over to you now.
Okay, thank you. So I'll be leaving this part right now. Okay. I have a lot of projects on Cisco. You can see how much they are here. There are a lot of them. So after the Saturday class, we'll be taking them one by one and I'll be explaining them. So we can get, so what we are looking on is, come in please. Oh God. Sorry.
While he's still trying to get it, Mr. Peter, you asked a question. Actually, the last class we had, we posted it on YouTube. So you can go over to the YouTube page and you'll get access to it here.
Please, can you share the YouTube link? I'm not sure I have that YouTube link. Sorry.
What is the link, please? What is the link? That's what I want to ask.
Okay, no problem. I will post it on the announcement group later on.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Mr. Joseph. Yeah, Mr. Joseph.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, if it's possible, all those links, you can just pin them so that no matter what, you still have access to it. You can just
Okay,
pin
okay, no
them.
problem.
Yeah.
No problem.
Okay. And this is what I'm talking about. Please, can everybody see my screen?
Yeah, we can see.
Yes. You will see, the question here is configure a wireless router and client. The objective is what? You connect the devices. Why part 2 is configure the wireless router. The part 3 is what? Configure IP addressing and text connectivity. So the scenario is this. They said, let's assume maybe my friend now, maybe one of my friend bearing Ibrahim, he heard that I'm studying networking. So she asked me to come over and help her to connect a new home to the cable TV network. So I need to connect the correct cables to the correct devices, connect devices to a home wireless router, and configure the router to provide IP addresses to easy process, and network will be set up in no time. So you see that the instruction and everything is there. So the first one is they said you should connect the coaxial cables. Coaxial cables. So that means the cable company delivers internet and video services to our home through a coaxial cable. The cable is connected to an outlet in our home. A splitter devices separate the internet data services from the video services. This enables the two services to be connected to the appropriate devices. Then you will now connect the internet devices to the cable modem and the video service to the television. So now, look at the step 1. They say in network components, click connections, the lightning bolt. Locate and click the icon for coaxial cable. They even tell us how it looks like, which is what? It is a blue zigzag icon. So click the cable splitter and select coaxial 1 port. Click the modem and select port 0. Repeat the previous step to connect coaxial 2 on the cable splitter to port 0 on the TV. Click the TV and then on for status. If your connection are correct, you should see an image appear that represents a TV program. So let's begin. Can you see it? This is like a real-time connection. So what they said is, can everybody see my screen, please?
Yes, we can see.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. So they said we should go to connection. We should click on coaxial cable. Do you see what I click? That's zigzag, blue zigzag. So they said you should click it. Click the what? The cable splitter, then coaxial 1. Then you connect it to the modem. This is where the modem is, port 0. Please, are you following?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry,
Then you
Mr.
click
Sorry,
that.
Mr. Emmanuel.
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
Please, can you start again? Like from where you
when
started.
we are giving this kind of question, are we going to be giving this diagram already?
Yeah.
The diagram will be given. I have it with me. I can send it to the group after this meeting so everybody can try it on their own.
Okay, better. That is good. Thank you.
Are you getting it? So I'll send it to the group. Don't worry. So I think somebody is.
Somebody was
So what was the
saying
person
that
saying?
from Fresh. Who is the person, please?
And I wish to import this
I'm the one,
diagram.
I didn't say
to-
from afresh, like when he connected the first one to the modem, like just I didn't see
Okay,
where he
let me
clicked that
let me
fire.
just let me
Okay,
delete
just
the
undo
game.
it.
See, I've removed
Start
it.
clicking.
Please,
So
this
what I said
diagram,
is you are going to
this diagram, are we to import it to our packet tracer, or it will be there
no.
already?
You see, this diagram, it is there. I will send it to the group so everybody can try it. The same
Okay.
process, the same procedure I'm using. Are you getting
Okay.
it? There is
Okay.
this diagram and there's a guide to follow. So you just follow the guide and make sure that, oh, because we are actually trying to get something out of this, which I want everybody to understand how to actually connect a Wi-Fi router, home Wi-Fi router, to the extent that maybe
Mr. Emmanuel.
what you are watching in your bedroom, you can be watching it inside your sitting room. Please, are you getting it?
Yeah, Mr. Emmanuel, sorry. I think what she was asking is, after getting this diagram, how did you import it to your Cisco Packet Tracer?
Yes.
If I send the stuff to you, if I send the stuff to the group, once you click on it, it will take you directly to Cisco Packet Tracer.
Okay, all right.
Do you get my logic, please?
Yeah.
Wait, let me just send it to the group so that everybody can understand. So anybody with their laptop can click on it and see.
Okay. Please, if you are with your laptop, you follow up now. I think we are going hands on now.
I'm using phone at the moment.
Wow. Cyber security is not for the weak. Oh.
I've sent it. If you use phone and open it, it will not work. First save it and use your laptop to.
Can you email it to some of us, please? Because you don't have.
Oh yeah, everybody should try on their laptop and see. Then I'll be here, please. So if you can see what I'm seeing on my screen, then that means we can proceed. What I have on my screen, rather.
Okay. My own is working.
You can see the home the way it is at my side, Abby.
Yes.
Please, is there a way you can zoom out a bit so that this writing we can, like, it's too faint? So let's see like where you're connecting for, like the writings of the modem, the cable. I don't know.
Are you using your phone?
Let me. Okay.
No, I'm actually using my laptop. Oh.
Okay.
Let me increase
Mine is bigger enough. All right, Mr. Emmanuel,
let
can
me
you resolve
increase the
anything?
stuff. I will increase this thing. I'm coming.
Please,
Okay,
as
I'll increase
someone
the
have
font.
received the message on.
Yeah, I've not received it as well. I've not.
It just dropped
I
it
don't know,
from
maybe
the.
it's in that group.
Okay,
I'm
let
not-
me
On the
let,
WhatsApp
Discussion.
already, I just
Can you
me
see it
tag
clearly
you.
now?
It will drop his network.
Yeah, I've seen it, and the stuff it has entered already. Oh. Like maybe network is kind of bad, something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see I can see it very well now. Thank you.
Which group says
You're
service
welcome.
and
No, discussion and fun. That's where he sent it to.
discussion and fun?
Yes,
Yes.
please.
Am I in that group? I'm not in that group. Oh.
I go take no.
Yeah, I don't have discussion and fun in my group. Oh.
Go and join them now.
And
Go and
you
join
know,
them.
once you come in, like there are other group attached to the community, you just be adding yourself to the other. I think admin made it like that way, you can literally add yourself in
Okay,
every
I
other.
think I've opened mine.
Okay.
Same thing. Questions are here.
Please, somebody should help me resend. I just joined the
Hello?
group now.
Okay, I'll do that then.
Thank you.
Okay, all right. Thank you, man. Okay, no problem. Okay, man. Okay, man. But yes, man. Can't send the like the house picture to me, man. The one they wanted. They've not sent the pictures to me on WhatsApp.
I've sent it.
Okay.
Please, someone should send to me too. I've joined the group. Oh.
Okay, I will.
Sorry, I have to mute him. He's making calls. It's supposed to be private. We're not
No,
supposed
I
to be
will.
hearing it.
Ben, man, but yeah, I know about that one too. But one thing is that
Is any other person joining the group before I resend it again? I don't want it to
Yeah,
just
I've
be.
joined, but I've not seen it. I've joined, but I've not seen it. I've joined the phone.
Yes, yes. I'm just asking.
Okay, I've seen it. I've seen it.
You have seen
I've
it,
seen it.
right?
Thank you.
All
Yes.
right.
Yeah, anytime wireless router communication.
Yeah.
Thank you. I don't even know that all these groups here exist. So imagine.
You are not following up now. That's why.
please, can you-
I'm probably following up.
please, I'm coming. Yellow man. Ẹ má bínú, man. Mo fẹ́ pè ń padà.
Mr. Amuje, just
Nǹkan tí mo
please
sọ ni
try
pé
and
like
mute so that we will not be able to
ó
hear
dá
you.
wọn yìí. Ó dà pé àwọn èèyàn ti gbà tán.
Oh,
Joseph,
yes.
yeah. So we have the practical. How about the questions?
He's going to send it. He said he will send it after the lecture.
Okay.
There's other project. When you open this one, did your question not come because the question is attached to the file? When I open
Yes.
mine,
The question is attached to the file.
yes,
I can't find
yes,
it.
yes.
Okay, let me check. I don't know.
Or maybe you should close it and open it again. The moment I open my own, the question comes along.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I've seen it. Thank you. I've seen it. Yeah.
I'm beginning to enjoy this now. Yeah. Cisco Packet Tracer. All right.
So please, can we continue now?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
okay.
And then according to so now everybody, you can be following through the way I'm doing it. Are you getting it? So everybody
Yeah.
set, right?
Yeah, well said.
No response.
Yeah, we are set. We're set.
So they said we should click.
Yeah,
We should take this our coaxial cable. Bam. I've clicked on my coaxial cable here, which is that blue zigzag. Then you click on this your cable splitter. Coaxial 1. Then you run into the modem. Port 0. You see that it is giving us green signal that it has connected. Then this your coaxial cable again, you click on it. Then now it will now be on your cable splitter. Then coaxial 2. Then that one you now drag it to your TV. Port 0. Are you getting it? Wait till it's on green. It cannot on green. And the reason why it cannot on green is because our TV is off. Then you just click on it like this. You see? Can everybody see my screen, please?
Yeah.
Yes.
Your own too is showing the way mine is showing, right?
Yeah, I'm not doing it. If I do it now, I would lose concentration. I'm just looking what you are doing.
Okay. So once everybody is where I am, then we proceed.
I don't know. I'm trying to pick a cable, and this is showing me that auto connect is locked by auto design for this activity.
It cannot work. It cannot work. Don't worry. Try and
Okay.
select the cable as it is instructed. It has been logged. It's true.
Okay, which means we can't follow along, right?
You will follow. You can do what I'm doing now. One thing there is that you cannot click on that port that will just choose the port directly for you. You have to choose the cable yourself and connect it.
Okay.
Is it working now?
Yeah.
Why do they lock
Okay.
the auto?
Then you
cable?
click on the TV. No, let me tell you one thing. It's not that maybe I'm not trying to be maybe insultive or some way. You know that there are some kind of things. Whenever they try to make things easy for us, we will not try hard to get it done. We just feel like, oh, so as far I have a guideline, get it. But what about if you go for an interview and they are asking you? You can't tell them that, okay, I'll just click on that connection, you choose the port itself, you grab. But they have to know whether you know what cable are working for. You can say, oh, the reason why I'm using coaxial cable from this port to this port is this. We can't just tell them, say, okay, I'll just choose on this. It will just choose port 0 and port 2. You get it? So what if you also want to explain to people that are coming? How are you going to explain? But you should be able to explain that, okay, the reason why this one that is detecting port is there is because of this. But as an intermediate or a professional, you shouldn't be using that. It is for all these beginners. And I don't want us to be working as a beginner anymore. I want us to be working like we are already an intermediate. Are you getting it, please?
Yeah.
So that's the reason. So
Thank you.
everybody, please, are you on same? Is everybody here already, please?
Yeah.
So once you are here, just click on this first one. Once you click on it, you see that the TV is on.
Yes.
Is your TV on too?
Yes, it's on.
Okay. Let me go back. Then you see that the thing has given us green, right?
Yeah.
So now, everybody should now go back to their guideline. We are done with step 1. So now, what step 2 is now telling us is what? We connect the network cables, which means they said there are 2 PC in that my friend house, and they don't have wireless LAN adapter. So they will be connected with what? Ethernet cables. So the home wireless router is the center of the network. It enables devices that are configured on the home network to communicate with each other and the internet. So that means the router includes a network switch that accepts wired connection for up to 4 hosts. So you will connect the PC to this port. For the home wireless router to access the internet over the cable TV provider network. That means the cable modem must be connected to the home wireless router internet port. Know that I explained the meaning of internet port and what? Ethernet, internet and Ethernet port earlier. So they said this is done with a what? A copper straight through cable. Click connections and then copper straight through cable. It looks like a solid black line. Connect port 1 on the cable modem to the internet port of the home wireless router. Click the office PC and connect the cable to the fast Ethernet 0 port. Please, are you following?
Yes, yes. we're
Yes,
following.
yes, yes.
Now they say we should now locate the home wireless router and click it. Connect the router to the other end of the cable to the gigabit Ethernet 1 port to complete the connection. Then lastly, they said you should repeat the previous step to connect the bedroom PC to gigabit Ethernet 2 ports on the home wireless router. Then the wired home network is now fully connected to the internet through the cable TV provider network. So let's start this step 2. So number 1 is click connection and blah blah blah. So we are here. So we click on connection. So we have done the first part. So the second part is connect port 1 on the cable modem to the internet port of the home wireless router. Port 1 of the cable modem. So port 1 of the cable modem to the wireless router. If I'm coming. Okay, okay. I'm finding a way to split this thing. The way I'm going back is not. Click connection and copper straight. Okay. Connect port 1 to the cable modem to the internet port. Everybody, have you gotten that, please?
Yes.
Okay. So the next one. The next one, they now said click the office PC and connect to the cable fast Ethernet port. Locate on the what? Wireless home wireless router. So let's do that now. Office, then fast Ethernet. then to our please, have you done that?
Yes.
Okay. So they now said we should repeat the previous step to connect to the bedroom PC also. So what we do now is go back to this. So bedroom PC. Fast Ethernet 0. Are we on same page?
Yes. Please, hope everyone is following along.
No. No.
Are you lost?
Yes.
Very far. I've not even started. I'm still struggling to open my own.
Don't
Me,
worry.
I
You
just
watch the recording.
connected the modem and TV. That's all.
Why are you not connecting the rest?
I did not see where you connected.
Oh, jeez.
Sorry.
I have to remove it.
Latif and Peter.
Yeah.
And is it John Rich or something? Have you connected yours?
I'm starting again.
Yes,
Sorry,
I'm
sorry,
connected.
I'm on phone. I'm
Okay.
not on system, so I'm trying to
Please,
see what is
start
going on.
again.
I'll watch the
Yes, he's
video.
starting again now.
Oh yeah, I want to.
Yes.
So they said we should click on what? Copper straight through cable. Normally on your laptop there, if you click any of these cable, it will show the name underneath. Are you
Yeah.
getting it?
Yes.
Yes.
I've seen copper straight through.
How does it look like?
It's a black slant, like a slant. Just the
Breaking,
third
like,
one.
like a breaking
After
point.
the blue curved one, the copper straight through is the next one.
Does it have a breaking point?
Breaking
No,
point.
it doesn't. The one with breaking point is copper crossover.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
So your modem. You see that I'm on my modem. Click on modem like this, port 0. Then connect it to your wireless router here. Ethernet. Have you done that?
Where is the wireless router?
It's
Okay,
beside the
yeah.
modem here.
Yeah. Let me do it now.
Please, can you zoom it? Let's see. Can you zoom that, please? Thank you.
I'm trying to. Oh, jeez. Can you see my arrow? This, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, connect the two together. Okay.
Exactly. So once you are done with that,
Okay,
they now
to
say
the
we should
internet,
connect.
right? Okay.
Please.
Yes, to the
Please.
wireless home wireless.
Yes, I've
router.
connected. Yes.
To connect to the internet port. You know that I explained something the other time. Like all our router, we have LAN region and we have WAN region. So this one is just you are connecting your modem to your what? Which is your what? You are connecting another device to the network. That's what happened here. So now the next one is they say we should use this same. Click on your, you see where I click on like this, then your fast Ethernet 0, then you drag it to your what? Your
Router.
internet gigabit Ethernet 1. Then you click on it. Have you done that?
Yes.
Please, why are they telling me my own
Okay,
interface
nice.
is locked?
Your
Why
interface
is
is
it?
logged.
Yes, it's locked. When I click on the modem, they are telling me it's locked.
Maybe you click on the wrong place. That was what it was showing me the first time.
Click on the modem again, the first white one. Check again.
May the Lord.
Has it connected?
No,
Oh,
I clicked on it and it took me to that configure site. I don't know.
I think
no,
it's
wait.
the wrong one.
Click on the cable splitter first. Connect
Okay.
it to the cable splitter first. Then drag it to the modem. It should work that way.
Okay.
Not modem first. Connect it from the cable splitter. Connect it to the modem. Is it working now?
Please, excuse me. If I'm connecting from the wireless router to the home PC, the bedroom PC, which port will I use on the PC? That's ROS232, USB 0 and USB 1.
No, don't use that one. That one, you just click on your PC, your bedroom PC now. If you see something as fast Ethernet, you connect back to the home wireless router. If you look at it, you see that this internet, this home wireless router, this PC we are connecting to it is like we are connecting to the Ethernet port, which we have different LAN. So we are connected to maybe LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3. But you see that modem is connected. So that's just the difference. That means your bedroom PC, you are connecting it to the other LAN part of the what? Of the home wireless router.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. From
I
that
don't know the name
bedroom,
of
from
the
that bedroom laptop, is it the laptop or the PC?
Office PC to the home wireless router.
No, I mean the
PC.
second one.
Click on bedroom PC.
You know what?
Click
No,
on
let
bedroom
him get there now. He's still going there now. Let's do it
Just
one by
hold
one.
on.
We've not
Hold on. Let
gotten
him
there.
reach there.
Just
Just
hold
hold on.
on.
Let him reach there.
Yes,
Let
he has.
get him
Me
there.
too. Don't confuse. He has not
Oh,
reached
no.
there. Please.
Go.
Let's ask question, please.
Please, I don't know the name of the lady complaining. Have you gotten it, please?
Yes. Who said she could not connect her router to
Me,
office PC?
me.
Have you
done that?
connected?
No,
Still not working.
I clicked on the cable splitter and I got coaxial 1, 2. I don't know which should I select.
Select Quasar 1, then drag it to the cable modem.
The cable cannot be connected to that port.
Are you sure you click on Quasar? You use Quasar cable. You use this blue zigzag, or you are using copper straight through cable.
My bad. I'm sorry.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh.
I'm very sorry.
Shall we try wrong cable?
Normally, the way it's actually going, it's normal. Because now we have to understand, you can't just use any cable to connect anything. You have to know that this is the type of cable I must use to this. If you use straight through cable there, it will not. If you go and use coaxial cable to connect cable modem to wireless router, it will tell you that no port is found. Do you get it? So that's the reason. Has it worked now?
Yes. Thank you. Yes.
Okay. Thank God.
You're welcome. So let's proceed.
Okay.
So now you click on this copper straight through cable again. You now click on your bedroom PC. This is your bedroom PC. Go to fast Ethernet 0. Then you drag it to your home wireless router, which is gigabit Ethernet 2. Can you see that LAN port is like 4, but we are only using 2? Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So you click on this. So you are done with that. Please, what's the name of the lady that just talked the other time? So that we can know whether she's following, please.
Yes. I've connected.
So that it will not be like we are in Abuja and she's still at Lagos. My bad. So we are done with step 2.
Yes.
Okay.
So please, are you enjoying the connection? You are enjoying the way we are moving?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes. I'm enjoying.
drawing cable, drawing cable.
Me too.
Yeah, now you have to be very, very attentive. They say configure the wireless router. Those wireless router are configured by using a graphical user interface that is accessed through your computer web browser. So in this part, you will access the home wireless router through the browser on the office PC and configure Natsumin home network. So step 1, they said click office PC, go to desktop tab, then IP configuration. Click DHCP. DHCP will automatically configure the office PC to be on the same network as the home wireless router. Can you understand what I was explaining earlier? That before you can connect to any router, the router will first check whether once you put your password, you will see that once you put your password, it will not give you connected successfully instantly. You will see it will be giving connecting. It will check whether the IP configuration is in same range with its own. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So now that's why you see they say it will what? Check whether they are on the same network. Are you getting it? So now,
Yes.
they now said after a brief delay, you might not face delay. The value for the IP configuration should automatically update the IP version 4 address. Should make sure it starts with 192. If it does not, click fast forward time, which is just below the network topology in the lower left-hand corner. And this will speed up the simulation of DHCP. Now, let's try and do that. So let's click on Office PC. This is our Office PC, right? This is my Office PC. I'll click on it.
Office
It says
PC.
go to desktop. Go to IP configuration. Look at it. Let me back it. Remember when Miss Favor was explaining this, she just went to this fast Ethernet.
Yeah.
And can you get it? But me, I use this. Just go to IP config.
Okay.
Then click on DHCP. Everybody should click on DHCP like this. You see that it has required I've seen my own IP address, so I don't know about yours. So.
Okay, yes, me too. I've seen my own.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I've not seen my own.
I've seen my own.
Desktop. IP config.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Click on DHCP.
Mamma mia.
Desktop. IP config.
Yes.
Yes.
It's
You just change
Click on DHCP.
On Jen.
You have the IP address already.
Are you sure we do not live in Cotonou? Are you still here?
Sorry, can you just go back again? Let's see the way it is. It's not showing any IP.
You are there already. Click on desktop.
Yes.
Click on IP configuration. Do you click on IP configuration?
Yes.
You can see DHCP and static, right?
Sure.
Click on DHCP itself. Don't click on static. Go and click on that something that is looking like dots beside DHCP. Click on it.
Yes, I know. It's out. It's out now. 196.
Is it that I'm clicking? I'm not clicking well.
Cybernet, what's going on?
I don't know. I'm seeing just 0, 0. I'm not seeing anything. I'm clicking.
That was the same thing I was saying first.
Please, what did you click? So should we click it too?
See, click on this office.
Now,
look, see, just don't mind anybody. Just look at me. Look at what I'm clicking on. See.
I'm already there. I went to desktop. I'm on that DHCP stuff.
Exactly. So once you click this, can you see my scroll bar?
Yeah.
There is one dot beside DHCP.
Yeah.
Exactly on tap on it. Tap on it. You will see something like DHCP requesting. Is it working?
See, initially, I did the same thing. It was showing 0, just like what she said. As time goes on, maybe after some time, I don't know, maybe it's network. Those IP address just came in. Initially, it was showing 0. See, maybe it's network, I don't know. So the
Is
thing
it
just came in.
at your hand
No,
now?
it's
No, it's
not.
working. It's
I've
working.
been
It's
clicking
working.
and it's not
working.
working.
It's
It
working.
might be your network.
I think it's network. I think it's network.
Oh.
Click it again.
Say nothing. It's okay. You can go ahead or do it later.
Maybe you should click on static, then now go back and
Yeah, go
click
back
on
to
that
DHCP. Yeah. Let's see if it's going to work.
Click on static first, then go back and click on that DHCP. Oh yeah.
When I click on static, it will show the 0 stuff.
So
When I go back to DHCP, nothing.
just click on. Do you see something like DHCP requesting, or you did not see it?
Nothing. I've not seen anything like that.
It's supposed to show like DHCP request successful. Something like that.
I think the problem should be from her network.
Maybe it's a network.
It's okay. I'll catch up later. Thank you.
Are you sure you connect the actual cable from the router to the PC?
Yeah, you said from the bedroom PC, right?
No, the office PC,
I said
not
office
bedroom.
PC.
Oh. Is it bedroom you went to click?
No, I clicked the office PC and it took me to that config then desktop. I went to desktop.
But did you connect the office PC to the homeless home wireless router? Did you connect it?
Are we connecting the office PC or the bedroom PC?
All of them.
You will have to connect office PC to the internet,
To the home wireless router too. Did you?
I better go. I go up. We'll do this again.
Please connect it. Maybe that's where the issue is coming from.
Don't worry. Once you are less busy, I can check my time if it actually works together. I will explain it back to you thoroughly. But that time, you will be the one that will share your screen to me. So I'll be putting you through because of the other people that are going to work tomorrow, please.
I swear. My head on it.
So, no vex, please, no vex. So now let's start. So we have done that.
I requesting.
Oh, okay. Then I think you're getting there then.
So now, they said the next one is, they said keeping the office PC windows open. Close the IP configuration window and click web browser. Enter the IP address of the home wireless router. If you have a pen, you can write your home wireless router default gateway. That's 192.168.0. Let me see. I think it's 1. So what we are actually going to check here is, they now said newly installed home router are configured with default credentials. Enter admin for both the user name and password. You now see the GUI for what? For the home wireless router appears and ready to configure Natsumi network. Adjust the window size as necessary to see more of the interface. So let's go. So what they are saying is that go to this same your office PC. Just go to this your, okay, you are there already. Then back it. So go to what? They say web browser. And this well, click on web browser. It's just, let's just make it quick so that we won't take much of our time. So click on, oh, what the fuck is this? Okay, this is it. Then type the default gateway IP 192.168.0.1. Please, everybody, are you seeing something like this on your screen? Username and password.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Then you use admin to enter. Then you click on OK. You should see something like this. Can everybody see something like this?
Yes, where do I click to see that username and password? I'm on that web browser. Where do I click?
No, you put your gateway address 192.168.0.1 on that URL. Click on it, then
Okay.
enter. Once you enter, you will see username and password. Put admin. Then you will see this GUI interface. Please, are we on
Okay.
the same page?
No.
So what page are you? Or which page?
My own says server reset connection. No problem.
Are you sure you typed the IP?
Yeah, I typed it.
192.168.0.1.
0.2. My own is
Dot
2.
one. Your own is what?
2.
That's your IP address, not your default gateway. Default gateway is different
Oh,
from.
okay. I've seen it. Sorry. I went to. Hey, Jesus. Okay, both username and password is admin, right?
Exactly. That's the. If you buy any router new, that's always the password for it. Admin. Before you now
Okay,
set
that's
your own.
what Miss Favor was talking about.
You see this thing that I typed. If you want to configure your router, if you go to either Chrome or Google and you type this thing, your router you are connecting to, there is always one sys code at the back, or 7 or 8. Once you type it first, you will enter. But you now click this IP. The home router IP can either be 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. It will now bring you the profile of that router you are using. You now see something like this today. So you set up the settings. Now, what we are going to do here now is, please, everybody are here, right?
Yes.
You see where we have 50.
50K. Yes.
Down, you see,
Maximum number of users.
exactly. So we are now reducing it to 10. Meaning that your router now, if it is 50, meaning that 50 people can connect at a time and nothing will happen. But me, you want to help Natsumi reduce it to 10. Whenever it is more than 10, nobody will be able to access. Even though you use the password, it will send you out. Are you getting it? So change it to, once you change it to 10, then you save settings. So we are out of there.
Where are they saying?
Are you getting it? It's down below it. Just scroll up. You see save setting and cancel changes. Just click on save settings. Please, have you done that? Once you save setting, it will bring you something like request timeout.
No, please.
My own is saying.
Please, why is this setting? Sorry, I'm taking people back.
My own, I'm even back safe.
We are not see safe settings.
There is save settings there. Scroll up, you will see it down at the down part.
How bad? Yeah, I've reached down. Okay. Sorry. Request timeout. That's what it said. Is that
Type
what it's
the
supposed to
default. Okay. That's how it's supposed to be. Don't worry.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
But I thought the question is saying we have to configure a new username and password.
And we are going there.
Okay.
Okay.
So the step 2 now.
Mhm.
So you see, we have already reduced the maximum number to 10, right? And we've saved the
Yes.
settings. So now they
Yes.
say it is possible you lose your connection to the router. Just click go in the web browser to reload the graphical user interface page. You may need to close the web browser, click IP configuration and toggle between the HCP and static to refresh the IP addressing for Office PC. You might not need that. Are you getting my point? So now what you are not going to do is, please everybody just watch me. This is your same PC now. This is everybody on this page back?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't want to draw
supposed
you
to go-
back. Just continue.
My own is request timeout that is showing now.
Go to the up back and put the default gateway back there. It will
Oh,
go.
okay.
So from here, go to wireless. You look at this wireless now. You see, we have something like 1 to 2.412 gigahertz. Are you getting it? So you see this default. This default, change it to
Yes.
my home. My home.
My home.
My home. Yes.
Okay.
Can you see it? So you will see after that my home, we have that to something like a lightning. The first one, click on it. That means you have on it. Are you getting it?
That's the enabled now, Abby.
Yes, enable.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Have you all enabled it? Then
Yes.
from there,
Yeah.
save
Please,
settings again.
Mama, you're very fast, please.
I'm
Please,
actually
can you start
I'm
this
actually
place?
trying to give grace to people that are going to work tomorrow. And I
Yes,
already stated that maybe at your leisure time, I can take my time and explain this thing to
yeah,
you.
we won't call you because I lost long time ago.
Wow.
Hey, may you be found in Jesus' name.
Amen. I'm just following up. I have lost a long time ago. So I don't
So
want to draw you back.
should
That is
I
why I'm
save the
just following.
settings?
What do you
So
say?
after my
Save
home, what are we
settings.
going to do
You
next?
now go and enable.
Have you saved the settings?
Yes, I've saved the settings. You will click the enable directly under the my home, then you now save the settings.
Enable it.
Done.
After enable, then
Okay. Yeah, we've done.
okay. So now the next one is you go to wireless security.
Wireless security key.
I don't lost.
Can you see the wireless security under security? You see wireless
Okay,
security under security.
yes.
Click on it.
I'll
So
click
change
on-
this thing to. Do you know that we have this WPA, we have 2 and we have 3. Normally 3 is the one that is very, very essential now. But according to what is here, they said we should choose WPA personal.
There's no
Let me check
WPA
what
on my
is there.
own. No.
It will be there. You did not check it very well.
It's not there. Is there something I'm
Okay,
supposed to
so
fix?
everything on the wireless router is showing disabled. We have to
Yeah,
choose
got it.
something from there.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
I can't hear you.
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
We go when
Don't
we
worry.
go to
She was
where
No,
asking.
she
She
was
was
where
helping
explaining
somebody else.
something.
you
We
I
get
wasn't
it.
explaining, I was asking.
Yes. Is that disabled that you click? That's where you see that WPA something.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
I thought that was all you said. That
So
was
they
where I
said
went to. I didn't know you were not explaining.
they said we should choose WPA2 persona. So I've clicked on it. Now they now say we should put after that advanced encryption standard, which is AES. They now say we should put something here. And what was that? Let me check the description. Okay. So they said we should put what? My passphrase 1. My passphrase 1 exclamation mark. So just follow through.
Okay.
So they said we should put my passphrase phrase 1, then exclamation. Then
Phrase
we are
one.
done.
Okay.
Don't put face. Okay. My passphrase 1 exclamation. Make sure that you follow the mode I used to write it to. The M is in capital letter. The P is in
so
capital letter. The other P is in
please,
capital letter.
okay.
Then after that, you save settings.
Again.
We are almost done,
Hey,
please.
God, have mercy on me.
Thank God, me, I'm even on night. Sorry. The Lord is
You're on
your
night.
strength. I'm on
Are you
night
at work
tomorrow.
like this?
No,
Okay,
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Me, I
Okay.
just came back from
That is
work this
you
evening.
have the whole day to sleep.
I have the whole day to sleep.
Hey, God.
So now,
Now my laptop go off. I don't want to on gen.
Go and
Can
make
we-
noise in your compound.
can we move on?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
let's
now you
move.
go to administration. So it is now this administration you are going to change the password entirely. So you see this router, you see something like router access and router access. So you
Router
click on this thing, you delete that admin. You
Where is
delete
it?
the two.
Where is router access? God, I beg
See
you.
it now.
After my
On
past
admin,
okay.
one, we are
Yeah,
not
I've
saving
seen
anything there.
Where is that? You will save settings after you've put that my pass phrase 1.
Okay, thank you.
if
Yeah.
not save settings, it will not work. So
Okay.
yes, let me check what our password is. What password did they ask us to use? Okay.
Password 1.
So we should use. Wait. They said we should use my password 1 exclamation mark.
Oh, okay. The both of them. Okay,
Yes,
we'll
please.
reconfirm the password. Okay.
My password 1 exclamation mark.
How they
Then
play
save.
right now?
That's a good write rubbish there. When they know they show password.
Exactly. Like I have to even go and check. Let me see how they wrote my password.
It's case sensitive.
Okay. My password.
After that, you save settings.
Oh, wow. I don't lose.
Don't worry, we'll come
Please,
and
are
find
we
you.
doing is it the same as we did with my passphrase, like the casing and everything?
Yes.
Make sure that your
capital
M,
letter M and capital letter P.
Okay.
the rest
Thank you.
are small letters.
Hmm.
After that, you save settings.
If you enter and confirm password.
My
Yes.
password 1.
Then the exclamation mark at the end.
Okay. I don't even know if it is what.
It's telling me username and password.
Exist. Already exist.
Oh,
It's bringing out authorization that should put username and password. Is that what it's supposed to be? Hey, God, I beg you.
Your
It's
name
correct.
already, your name already exists.
But Mr. Emmanuel, why did they not do it in a way that you can actually see when you're inserting
See
the
what you
password?
exactly.
No,
Be watching your keyboard when you are pressing it, so that you know what you are pressing.
So when
no,
we
it's
do
not
it,
work
what
that
do
way.
we do next? We go down and save.
Save settings.
I hope I will they do.
After level.
See,
Hey, re-enter.
after the next one I will explain after this is difference between telnet and SSH. It is only on telnet. It is only on telnet you'll be seeing your password plain text. You see the way that Kali Linux is. Look at that over the wire bandits that we are doing. You see that the password is not showing. It is because it is secure shell. Assuming it is telnet, the way we are typing the password, it will be showing. But the reason why this stuff is working, that's when secure shells enter. It is encrypting every shit. I'm sure you get it.
Yeah.
So I don't know why this shit is giving me this bullshit.
Mr. Emmanuel,
Yes, ma.
when I enter the password, they are requesting for a username and password. The username, is it my passphrase?
Use that my password way.
Password 1 exclamation mark.
Yes,
Okay,
use that my password. Yes, use that
so
my
the password
password.
and the username is the same thing.
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Same thing, yes. You see, please, do you have record of this lecture?
Yes.
We have recording.
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Oh, that's fine. That's good. Thank you. Thank you. For me, I have lost a long time ago. I'm just following up.
C'est quoi ça?
Is it working?
No.
Okay, I think you should put that admin. Maybe they may give you permission.
No, don't work.
Okay.
My own is not working. I put like 3 times. Still asking me for username and password.
See, you see my own now. They ask for your username.
Yes.
Wait. Your username should be my own.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
My own, yeah, that's true. My own.
Well,
Then what about the password?
My password 1, then
Okay, my
exclamation
password 1
mark.
exclamation mark. Okay.
It works. No way.
You know what? Cool. Never work.
Right.
Passphrase 1. Is it passphrase? Okay. Yeah, we'll sleep today.
No.
Oh, sorry. Enter admin as the password. Enter admin as the username, then my password 1. You know that we are not reading the book again, we are just going through. So use admin as the username, then use my password.
My keyboard doesn't even indicate if it's on tabs.
You say?
Mine has work. Oh.
Mine worked though. Hey, God, I beg.
Congratulations.
You.
Then you click on what about what's her name? Is it Neta or what?
The problem is my keyboard is not even indicating if it's on tabs or what. I don't even know what I'm typing.
You use admin,
when you have something like that,
lowercase. Admin should be in lowercase. Then your password, you on your caps lock, then M in capital letter, Y in small letter, then P in capital letter, the rest in small letter, then 1 and what? An exclamation mark.
Just open a browser, type a letter, you see if it's cap or not, then go back to where you have put your password.
Okay, thank you.
The easiest way and the shorter form where if you are typing and you want to be fast, if you want to get your capital letter and you don't want to go and be owning your cap locks and off, you press shift and the letter you want to press, shift, then the letter, it will appear as capital letter, then you remove your hand and continue. It's a shortcut key that will just help you when you want to type fast.
Everybody they work now. Me, I just a follow up. Oh, wow.
When you start doing your own now, it won't be that hard. You'll be like, okay, I saw them do like this, and there will be recording of the class.
Yeah, consoling me, Abby.
Yes.
Is that right? Okay, thank you.
Are you good?
Please, let's continue.
So now, after that, you click on your. You click on your laptop here.
After this thing, should I like save settings? Sorry.
Click on continue.
No, Shebi, you have put your password and everything. No, just go back to laptop.
Oh, okay.
So once you get to this laptop region, click on desktop. Once you click on desktop, then you click on this PC wireless. If you notice, we did not connect any wire to our PC, right?
Yeah.
So you click on this PC. Once you click on this PC, you see something like this. Can you see?
Yes.
So you click on connect.
Connect. Okay.
You click on is it showing my name? 42%.
I bet you close door. Close your door. You close or open door.
Then you connect. You click on connect.
Oh, I should click my
see that
home,
it
then
is now
connect.
active.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So
Adapter
mine has connected.
That's what it says.
Exactly.
Okay.
So it has connected. So let me check now. I want to check what's next. So they said what we are going to do now is what? They said we should go to what? We should open our web browser. We should verify that the laptop can now connect to skills4all.srv. Are you getting it? So now what we want to check now is whether both the lap. So we want to check whether this bedroom PC, this office PC, and this laptop all are now connecting to the router. So now what we are now going to do is click on this your PC again. So you can cancel this.
Which of the PC? The bedroom or the office PC?
No, click on the laptop rather. Click on the laptop.
Okay.
So go to web browser. So Are you on web browser?
Yes.
Yes.
So once you are there, what's this, bro? So type skills for all.srv.
Skills. Say where the URL, right?
Yes, please.
Is it in capital or small letter?
No, you write it in small letter.
Skills.
Some people know they even talk. They don't go sleep.
You said skills for all.
Script for all, yeah.
Yes.
SRV. If you check the question, it's in the question.
Oh, okay. Let me check.
Skills for all.srv.
SRV.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I think my packet tracer is having, okay, it's back.